tim yang dipilih roster Onyx PH jika main di MPLID.
So, if you have a chance to play in MPL Indonesia, which team do you want to join? And why?
I think Onyx ID because I am amazed on Kiboy's gameplay.
I think RRQ or Onyx Indonesia.
Okay. Any reason behind?
RRQ because their chemistry is very solid and they improved so much. And Onyx Indonesia because I wanna play with King Suns.
I think RQ because their mid lane is so aggressive.
Kanya ay speak Tagalog. Kaya RRQ sabi ko kasi gusto ko lang yung RRQ kasi sobrang daming fans eh. Natutuwa ako sa maraming fans eh. Pero marami rin naman fans si Onyx pero kasi dati ko pa gusto